How to build riches on a minimum wage. Getting rich on a tiny salary is conceivable, despite the popular belief that only high incomes lead to riches. A larger salary can help with wealth accumulation, but its success is dependent on careful financial management. Many wealthy people go bankrupt because they overspend, demonstrating the importance of spending carefully. Saving and investing wisely is the key to accumulating wealth. To put it simply, becoming wealthy entails earning more money than you spend and saving the difference. Although creating money on a low income presents hurdles, it is possible with clever modifications. In today's video, we'll look at ways to generate money while earning the minimum wage. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. First and foremost, invest whatever amount you have available. Before you think about investing, consider your regular expenses such as bills, food, housing, transportation, and healthcare. These expenses frequently take a large amount of your earnings, leaving little room for investing. Nonetheless, even small contributions can make a difference. Allocating a set sum, no matter how tiny, over time can result in significant increase. The notion of compound interest, in which interest earns interest and gradually increases your account balance year after year, underpins the efficacy of wealth development investing. To begin investing, set aside a percentage of your salary for this reason. The amount to set aside is entirely up to you, but greater sums often produce better outcomes. This, however, does not imply that wealth accumulation is impossible on a low salary. Number 2, you should begin early. Now that we understand the importance of investing, let us look at why it is critical to start early. Starting your investments early reduces the amount of money you need to save each month to meet your financial goals. Many people put off things like pursuing their dream job, preparing for retirement, or making lifestyle changes because they believe they have plenty of time. If you don't have much money, time becomes a valuable tool for generating wealth, and you must make the most of it. Resist the temptation to put off vital tasks or spend money carelessly because you believe you have lots of time to accumulate wealth. It's critical to let go of the notion that your income is insufficient to save or that retirement is far off. Even small donations to savings grow over time. No matter your age or income, now is the moment to start saving. Waiting even a few months will result in either a delay or less money for your financial goals. Even if you aren't making much money at the start of your career, time is on your side. With time on your side, saving becomes more appealing and promising. Number 3, lead a frugal lifestyle. Frugality may appear difficult, but it really involves spending money with a purpose and being careful with how you manage it. The greatest barrier to wealth accumulation is not a lack of money, but a lack of knowledge on how to retain and expand what they have. Being thrifty helps you distinguish between what you need and what you want, allowing you to avoid wasting money on things you don't truly need. Furthermore, adopting a modest lifestyle is regarded as one of the quickest paths to financial independence and possibly retirement early. When you don't have a lot of money, you need to save diligently to develop your fortune. Living frugally does not have to be dull. Unfortunately, many people believe that living frugally equals leading a boring life. However, you can live a fulfilling life while saving money. Even if you don't have a lot of money, being financially responsible does not exclude you from having a good time and enjoying life. Number 4, reduce spending. Figuring out how to minimize expenditures might be more difficult than it appears at first because it is difficult to identify areas where you are overspending, and altering habits can be challenging. However, there are solutions to cut spending. These tactics allow you to spend more money on your goals and less on items that do not improve your life or long-term finances. When you cut back on spending and devote more money to your financial goals, you improve your ability to save for large purchases. This helps to increase your overall wealth and establish long-term financial stability. If your spending becomes difficult to control, it may be time to make some cuts. Find areas where you don't need to spend money, such as dining out and entertainment, and consider cutting back on those. Also, seek for ways to save money on routine monthly costs like cable and phone. Stop paying for subscriptions you don't use, dine out less frequently, and wait a little before purchasing something on impulse. These strategies can help you save more money and align your spending patterns with your long-term goals. Number 5, set smart goals. Setting goals has several advantages, including providing a clear plan for success and preventing you from wasting time while you work toward your financial objectives. Furthermore, goals are great motivators. Adopting the SMART goal framework increases the likelihood of goal achievement by requiring goals to be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. If you incorporate these 5 items in your objective, you are significantly more likely to succeed. The cornerstone of financial goal setting is accurately identifying what you want. Goals, whether short-term or long-term, necessitate thorough monitoring while acknowledging that conditions can change. Engaging in the process of defining and tracking goals is critical for financial stability. Without precise goals, there is a risk of overspending, which may result in financial gaps for unexpected expenses or retirement. Thinking ahead helps you anticipate and prepare for potential obstacles. This continuing process allows for the harmonization of life and aspirations with unavoidable changes. Annual financial planning allows you to formally examine, update, and assess your progress toward your goals during the preceding year. If you haven't already started setting objectives, now is the time to do so in order to lay a good financial foundation for the future. Number 6, make and stick to a budget. Creating a budget is essential regardless of your income. Whether you make a high or low salary, if you are earning the minimum wage, it is extremely crucial to carefully prepare your budget because you have little revenue and little room for financial mistakes. Budgets are essential instruments for tracking progress towards specified targets. A budget not only helps you manage your money better, but it also offers you a sense of control over your finances, which reduces the stress associated with money management. When you include your income and expenses in your budget, you become more conscious of your financial condition, which encourages you to make more responsible financial decisions. Although creating a budget may seem difficult at first, it can help you save a lot of money in the long term. 7th, eliminate high-interest debt. Aside from overspending, dealing with monthly debt payments can be a major roadblock when trying to build wealth on a low salary. While paying interest on mortgages or school loans is acceptable, there are some interest payments that can be avoided, allowing you to allocate cash toward investments and long-term wealth creation. The first stage is to discover the main causes of your indebtedness and implement the required measures to eradicate them. Paying off your debts not only relieves stress, but it also allows you to save money for other important things. When you're working on improving your finances, consider the considerable savings you'll have after you're no longer subject to high interest costs. Dealing with debt, paying bills, and saving money all at once may be quite difficult. Getting out of debt is critical since having more money not only reduces stress but also promotes confidence, allowing for more savings and a more secure future. Number 8, supplement your salary. Making more money can help you attain your objectives faster, whether you want to prepare for retirement, pay off debt, or simply have extra spending money. Extra income is money earned on top of your normal salary. Although it is possible to accumulate wealth on the minimum wage, it may take a long time. If you want to go faster, having multiple sources of income is an excellent idea. Employer-related revenue streams may include bonuses, overtime, back pay, or commissions. However, extra income does not always come from a regular employment. It may also entail discovering ways to earn extra money outside of your regular job. This can take several forms, such as doing freelance work, finding a part-time employment, or starting your own business. The money you receive from these many sources of income not only helps you pay off debts and meet expenses, but it also contributes to your overall income, allowing you to attain your financial goals faster. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?